Hi everyone, it's me, Thomas Fan 1945. I know it's been long since I uploaded another video on YouTube, but I had to do a lot of things like work on this one. Also, by the way, there's gonna be a part 2 to this video, so watch out for that. Now, the Very Seas compilation, which was named Thomas the Tank Engine Collection. Well, it was Thomas the Tank Engine Story Collection, but I like calling it Thomas the Tank Engine Collection, because it's way easier to say. But I don't remember when this thing came out. You know, I'm kind of curious. I'm going to look it up. Okay, I found the date and it's on October 25th, 2005. I think that makes sense. By the way, for anyone out there who wants to get the book now or read it now, I believe in the link in the description for Google Books with Thomas the Tank Engine Story Collection. And you can read this like it using audio and you can read it. It's kind of fun when you do it. Okay, back to the video. By the way, anyone out there who wants to get these pictures, the Unlucky Tugs video, the Very Serious Timeline video on YouTube has pictures of these. So go ahead and use them. The pictures I'm using in the first of capsules, I just found them on Google.